Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your profile picture on Hunting Sniper's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your profile picture on Hunting Sniper, firstly go ahead and open your Hunting Sniper application. The home page of Hunting Sniper application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the page. From the pop-up, click on your profile icon once again. Select your picture from the available options and tap on it. This is how you can change your profile picture on Hunting Sniper's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.